Indian Premier League 2025 Rajasthan Royals full squad: Sanju Samson, Shubham Dube, Simron Hetmeyer, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Dhruv Jurel, Riyan Parag, Nitish Rana, Judbir Singh, Kunal Rathore, Vaibhav Suryavanshi, Jofra Archer, Mahesh Tikshana, Wanindu Hasaranga, Akash Madhwal, Kumar Kartikeya, Tushar Deshpande, Fazal Haq Faruqi, Koena Mapaka, Ashok Sharma, Sandeep Sharma,